Hello everyone, so today let's clean up your CapCut application on your phone with me through this video. In this video, I would like to show you the way how you can clean up your CapCut application as well as your phone so you can get the extra storage for your iPhone. So you just need to open the CapCut application. The next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay into this edit section. And this time you just need to scrolling up until you get an access into the settings tools over here, and then you just need to tap on it. Please take a look on all this option. You just need to swipe up, and then there could be a clear charge right here, and then you just need to tap on it and confirm that you want to clear this charge. So you will got this 50 MB more or extra storage for your phone. Now you just need to go back. So clearing the charge couldn't be adding an extra huge storage for your phone. So in order to get an extra storage, you need to delete the finished project on your CapCut. How to do that? You just need to tap and hold on the project that you want to delete, and then you just need to wait until this options or this look is popping up. Now you just need to go click checklist button in every circles of the project that you have been finished to or edit. Now you just need to go click delete and confirm that you want to delete those. So that's for today's tutorial, guys, the way how you can clean up your CapCut and get an extra storage for it. Hopefully you can understand easily this tutorial. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section, and don't forget to turn on notification for upcoming videos.